Hi guys, Aaron Kapila here from HighCohesion. So today we're going to talk about pricing. So I think pricing in SaaS and in kind of back-end integration type products like we've got at HighCohesion is normally a bit of an enigma. What we want to do is make that super transparent for you all. So we want you to understand how we price and how your business potentially will arrive at a price at the end of the month. So we've got a tiered pricing model, which very simply has two elements to it. The first, as you can see on my screen here, is the streams, and the second is the events. So let me explain what streams and events are very quickly. So we're in the business of data integration and automating the flow of data from one system to another. A connection between system A and system B runs along a stream. So that's your road, as it were. That's your motorway. The bits of data flowing along that stream are your events. So that's your traffic going along your motorway. How we price is that we have a fixed charge every month for the streams. So for your kind of your infrastructure, your motorway, you've got a fixed charge. And then your events are subject to variable pricing. So you basically pay for what you consume on events. So how light or heavy your traffic is or isn't. These are added up at the end of every month and you get a single price. So, okay, what does a typical e-commerce business look like? So if we imagine that in your HighCohesion setup, you're going to have at least a couple of streams. Our more complex customers can have in the tens, if not hundreds of streams. And each of these streams may have thousands, hundreds of thousands, or even millions of events per month. And that really reflects the amount of orders, product updates, inventory updates, shipments, refunds, whatever it is, we are automating for those customers. So in some cases, a massive amount of data. So let's take a typical business. So let's say a product update stream. You've got 100 products in your inventory and you're updating maybe 10 of those a day. 10 are changing, 10 are coming or going. Let's call that 10. And that's just going to be one stream. Over a month, that's 304 events. Your stock levels are maybe updating, let's call it every 6 hours. And your stock levels across 100 products are updating every 6 hours. So that's going to be 400 to your products. And that's going to be two streams, for example. Orders is going to happen every time a customer places an order. So let's say you get, 200 orders a day. That's going to be 200 events. That's again going to be one stream. Customer data is going to be updated. Let's say each of those is, for example, a unique order. Let's say 50% of orders are unique. So let's just say that's 100, one stream. Shipments is going to equal your orders, roughly. Again, one stream. Refunds, let's say refunds is at 15%. So that is going to be around 30 events there, one stream. And let's say, there's 100 other events, again, running across one stream. So you're relatively small, but growing e-commerce business. You're going to have about 30,000 of events per month. In your fixed stream cost, that's going to cost you £150 a month. And in your dynamic event cost, that's going to cost you 184. So your total price per month for automating all of these streams, all of this data, is going to be £334 a month. What we can do then is plug in some other numbers. So for example, if you were to grow fivefold, 1,000 orders, let's say 500 customers, let's say 1,000 shipments, and let's say 300 refunds, for example. Let's bring this up. That's what you get. Hopefully that helps.